like Oasis, except for the fact that
Alright, I'm gonna hear what it sounds like real quick.
Okay, one of their band names wanted them to be just like the Beatles.
Oh yeah. Okay.
But one of my favorite bands, won't lie.
It's that
Today's gonna be the day that I throw it all back to you.
I am down.
Can you crawl?
You can't get up here, can you?
Hang on. I can throw. Yeah, I can get up here too.
Yeah, you can. Cool.
God. I gotcha.
I had to do some climbing shit.
I'm climbing.
Is it hit?
Behind us, behind us. Sniper, we got it. Oh God, right here on us.
I was switching guns. Oh shit.
Another one. There's another one. Maybe two more, I don't know. Yeah, there's two more. Jump to the gulag, boy. Yeah, so they're all dead?
Yeah, I killed them all.
Alright, cool. What, they didn't, did they get their third friend up?
No, he was trying to get up and I sprayed him too. I just jumped in and just started just fire hose strategy basically.
Hold on.
I hear a lot. Oh my god. Fuck! A whole squad ran into my building, dude. Oh god. Whole bunch of hits. There's a guy right there, though, on that drop.
Where? Sure is. Let's shoot at him.
And if I had something with a sight.
Down.
They're all over us. Are you chasing them?
Good.
Okay.
He's dead.
I don't like how this game. I don't like how this game doesn't say when someone kills somebody. Like a teammate. It's kind of crazy.
It's just gonna do this until we're dead, probably.
Yeah. This is the center, this corner.
The good news is they're gonna have to jump off the roof. We have a slight advantage. We have a small advantage on them, I think.
8 people. And they're on the roof.
Right here. Finish them off. Coming out right here. Kill. Can you get me?
Off your ass. Get a move on. All right.
Parachuting.
Reload.
Oh, in the middle!
Reloading.
No! Can you crawl down?
Get up and bloody go.
You look so comfortable. That's crazy.
That's the best seat.
I've heard it's the community is, I guess you would say toxic, but it's like Escape from Tarkov and Art Community, where it's like more than toxic. Yeah, the
More
super
than
toxicity.
toxic?
So like
Yeah.
Valorant.
Yeah. Kinda.
What? Valorant's not toxic.
Valorant so far, and it may just be because I'm skewed because I don't play with like strangers, but Valorant is the worst people I've ever played video games with, I would say.
And then right after that one, right after that.
Ah, there's people next building. Next building. I got lit up, man. I came up those fucking stairs and he was like, "What's up, bro?"
Oh my god. I got one down.
Out there to the left first, yeah.
Eat me.
There's one over in here.
Shane, do you have any more armor?
Yeah, I got one more.
Shane,
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
come in here. I dropped you some more.
I'm gonna go try and help
It
him.
won't last long with just that little bit. Alright,
He got his buddy up. He's right here. Yep, good kill. Help me! Help me!
Off your ass, get a move on. Those in the
Taking
area.
fire from multiple angles now. Oh my god, I'm down. I'm down, but I'm safe.
I'm coming too. Hey, you going down might have just saved my life.
Oh my god.
just
Somebody just got lit up. Right here, Shane. He's almost dead. Shit! Get him.
Yeah, he's dead.
Somebody got a C4 down next to me.